Shifting focus now to some more breaking news that's coming in. This is true with Israel. What we've given to understand now is that an arrest warrant has been issued by the International Criminal Court against Benjamin Netanyahu, the Prime Minister of Israel, his newly appointed Defense Minister as well. This is over alleged war crimes as alleged by the International Criminal Court. This is over Israel's fight against Hamas, specifically in Gaza. This is after the October 7th attack by Hamas-led terrorists. Siddhant, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more details. Yes, Siddhant.
That's right, Poonam. The chamber issued warrants of arrest for two individuals. One is the Prime Minister of Israel, Benjamin Netanyahu, and the other is former Defense Minister of Israel, Yoav Gallant, for the crimes against humanity and war crimes committed from at least 8 October 2023, right after the Hamas attack on Israel, and until at least 20th May 2024, the day the prosecutors filed the applications for the warrants of arrest. Perhaps this could be a big political issue once again, as you know, Poonam, that there has been few months since Israel has declared UN Secretary General persona non grata in Israel, and he cannot enter Israel. So there is an ongoing fight between Israel and United Nations. And International Criminal Court of Justice perhaps is also United Nations body. And let's wait for the response from the Israeli side. But Israel is perhaps going to call it a smear campaign against Israel by the United Nations. Perhaps that is how Israel is going to react on this entire decision by the International Criminal Court of Justice.